Are you thinking about starting your own business? It's an exciting journey, but there are several important steps you need to take to get your business off the ground. Let's dive into the 10 essential steps to start your business. First, you need to conduct market research. This will help you understand if there's a demand for your product or service and how you can set yourself apart from the competition. Next, you'll need to write a detailed business plan. This will serve as a roadmap for your business, outlining your goals, target market, financial projections, and more. A well-crafted business plan is crucial for attracting investors and setting a strong foundation for your business. Once you have a solid plan in place, you'll need to determine how much funding you'll need to get started. Whether you're self-funding, seeking investors, or applying for a business loan, it's important to have a clear understanding of your financial needs. Choosing the right location for your business is also crucial. Whether it's a physical storefront or an online shop, your business location will have a significant impact on taxes, legal requirements, and potential revenue. Next, you'll need to decide on the legal structure for your business. This decision will affect your registration requirements, tax obligations, and personal liability. Choosing a memorable and unique business name is an exciting part of starting a business. However, it's essential to ensure that your chosen name isn't already in use and reflects your brand identity. Once you have a business name, it's time to register your business and protect your brand. This includes obtaining federal and state tax IDs, such as an employer identification number, EIN, and any required licenses and permits for your industry and location. Finally, it's crucial to open a dedicated business bank account to keep your personal and business finances separate. This will help you stay organized, handle legal and tax issues, and streamline day-to-day operations. Starting a business is an involved process, but taking the time to follow these 10 essential steps will set you up for success as you launch your new venture. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.